Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add an exit pop-up in system.io. First, go to your account. Then in here, you need to go to your funnel, so click on Sites on the top right, then go to either Sales or Digital Funnel. Now, select one of your funnel. Once in, click on Edit Page at the right side. Once inside the editor, to add a pop-up, click on Pop-ups at the top left. Now, click on the plus sign to create one. Here, you will have a template for it, and you can go ahead and change the content of it by adding element from the left side. Now, go to the pop-up settings by clicking on it at the top. Then on the left side, go and show a close button for it. So they'll have an option to close it. You can add a delay, then open pop-up automatically. Now, to make it an exit 1, you need to open on exit intent. So go and turn it on. For here, you can also add in a delay or change the width of your pop-up. Once done, click on the Save button at the top right corner. Then, you can now go ahead and preview your site. Then in here, you will now see your pop-up that will also show when exiting. And that's just basically it. That's how you add an exit pop-up in system.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.